Okay, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Monday noun. So community. Community. When people come together and work on a common goal. So people, they come together and they work on a common goal. Something they all want to see and do. Something they all want to see or do. Yes. So people with shared interests. So they all have something in common. A shared interest right there. Shared interest. Yeah. This is a growing community of people. So more people are joining the community all the time. More people are joining the community. Yeah. Makes sense. Across the city, all across the city, that place, this place, there are different communities. That community is different from that community. Communities. Get rid of the Y and add IES. Community, communities. Yeah, makes sense. I think this community has been here since the 1930s. So this organization of people was founded in the 1930s, 90 years ago. And this community has been going on since. And people have come and gone, but they've all had common interests while they've been in this particular place or area, or had this interest or priority. Which community do you belong to? My neighbours, well, the people that live near me are all part of a community where we know what is happening near our homes. These people, well, I am part of the community, and we all know what's happening. Any news here, news there, information here. We all know what's happening. Our common interest, our shared interests, are to live in a nice area. Our shared interests, what we all want to see, is to live in a nice area. Yeah. So my community want to see clean streets. Yeah. I have a growing online community. Online community. My subscribers, my followers, my likes, the people that like my content, people that like my lessons and content, they're all part of the community. And it's growing. Yeah. How cool is that? So moving to a city means you will change your community too. So when you go to a new city, a new place, a new area, a new country, your community will change. The people around you will change, as you will have different interests, and they will have the same interests as you. You will be part of a new community. You will be part of a new community. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So community, where people come together and work on a common goal. Common goal. Yes. Yeah. So can you write community in a sentence? Yeah, put it in the comments below. And hit the subscribe button as well. Subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.